What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tyson from Pro Wraps and Graphics. Today we're going to be going over the differences between black vinyl. So when a customer comes in asking for matte wraps or matte vinyl, they usually don't understand that there's different types of finishes. There's satin, there's gloss, there's matte, and even some manufacturers make a deep matte, which is literally no gloss whatsoever. So today we're going to go over the differences on each one of those. Alright, so I've already pulled our gloss blacks, or satin blacks, matte blacks off of our 3M board behind us. I'm going to hold them up to the camera and show you exactly the differences between each one. Starting with gloss black and satin black. That's going to be your most glossiest finish, and then your satin is still going to have a little bit of glossiness to it, but it's going to start getting a little more matte on the camera. You're going to be able to tell the difference immediately between which one is gloss black and which one's satin black. Alright, so I'm going to put the gloss black down, and I'm going to hold up matte black to satin black. Matte black, you're really starting to lose all that glossiness, all that sheen, and then you're going to start seeing little oil prints and stuff are going to tend to show up a little more in your matte films. So your satin film right here, we're going to put that down. Now 3M does make a deep matte black, and that's really going to take away all of the shine from your wrap. So when a customer comes in and say, hey, I want a matte wrap on my vehicle, they usually are referring to either a satin black film or a matte black film itself. Most of the time, they're referring to more of a satin just because it has that nice sheen to it. It looks a little more luxury styling than you would on a matte black wrap. So if you liked our video explaining differences between our black vinyl, you can always subscribe below, like our videos, and if you have any other questions, just give us a call.